Okay guys, this is going to be the HO haul of all hauls. I went absolutely bonkers last month and we're going to take a look at the damage. Be right back. Well, to tell you the truth, I have an idea of what's in this box, but I really don't. I just went absolutely nuts on Wathers and Athearn, all kinds of cars. I've got 25 pounds of plastic and steel in here. So it's going to take a little while to get through this. We've got simulated wood loads, B&O boxcar. Look at all this packed in here, my lord. Okay, I'll be back and try to get some kind of order to this. Okay, here we go, fellas. This is my haul from Bandits Hobbies in Darlington, South Carolina. It's a 25-pound box of HO goodness. Just jumping in here, we've got I know 3 of these L&N hoppers, the Wathers train line. The train line is their cheapest line of cars. They still have metal wheels, but they're just not as detailed. My lord, guys, I look at all this and I'm just wondering how in the world. I've got 4 simulated center beam flat loads. They're wood loads, pallets of simulated wood. Got a single L&N boxcar, the Wathers train line. I've got a couple of these, and I've got one of the L&N hoppers, so I'm just adding to my L&N fleet. Oh, these are all I bought a bunch of pairs of trucks, so I've got quite a bunch of those. We've got an Athearn B&O boxcar. We've got sorry guys, a nice U.S. Steel Cumberland Mine coal car. That's neat. I forgot I got that. Got a big wide or big long tanker Athearn. Real nice. Athearn's really detailed. I'm really happy with Athearn and Wathers. Here's a Delaware and Hudson boxcar. I got a couple of those, a couple of Delaware and Hudsons, because I've got a Shark Nose diesel, a Delaware and Hudson. Got a couple of Cotton Belt boxcars. Really nice. Had to have those. I'm trying to accumulate loads that the L&N Railroad would have hauled, and I remember the Cotton Belt cars as a kid. This is a high-sided two-bayed hopper L&N. I've got three stock cars kits. These will be fun. Got another tanker. My lord, guys, this was L&N Diffco dump car. A Sun Oil Company tanker. A CSX caboose. Yeah, CSX. Another B&O. Three stock car kits. That's what all the trucks, the bag of trucks are for. Blueford Shops, L&N caboose. These are the ones he bought on eBay for me. These are L&N 60-foot auto loaders. Got two of those. Got a nice, I forget what DTI, it's a railroad up over in Ohio. Center beam carriers. There's another one, there's a blue one. There's another blue one. Chessie Systems caboose. And a couple of 86-foot auto parts box cars. I forget exactly what road name they are, but my gosh, guys, this is over $800 of HO goodness, is what I call it. It took me several months to save up to pay for this. I'd like to thank Brian Howe at Bandits Hobbies in Darlington, South Carolina for holding all this for me and then taking payment at the end of the month, and it just works out beautiful. I'm very pleased, very happy, and I'll get back to you later with these kits. We'll try to put a kit together and see how that goes. So I'll talk to you guys later.